Hello students, how are you? Hope you have enjoyed the logic reasoning question which I gave you in my video, that is Mind Twister 3, and you must be trying to solve the question I gave. A few of them must have solved it. If you have not done yet, do check my video from the link given below. Today I am ready with another question, so let us start. Let us first read the statement of the question which I gave you in my previous video. That is, Raj and his son Adi go for walk around the track formed by equator triangle. Raj's running speed is 5 meter per hour and walking speed is 1 meter per hour. Adi's running speed and the walking speed is 4 times that of his father. Both started together from one vertex of triangle, the son going clockwise and the father going anti-clockwise. Initially, the father runs and the son walks. But as soon as the father started walking, the son started running. And both completed the track around in 60 minutes. For how long the father runs and where do they cross each other? Let us start with the answer. Let us first write the question in tabulated form so that we are able to frame the equations to solve. And case 1, when the father runs and the son walks. The time taken to complete this case is equal to x. Similarly, in this case 2, the father walks and the son runs. And time taken to complete this is, let it be y. And total time will be x plus y is equal to 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Let us start with the question. Here the total time, that is x plus y, is equal to 1 hour. Let us first write down the fathers and sons walking in running speed. Running speed of father is 5 meter per hour. Walking speed of father is 1 meter per hour. So total distance traveled by father is 5x plus 1y. Similarly, son's running speed is 4 into 5, 20 meter per hour. Walking speed is 4 into 1, 4 meter per hour. That is, son's running and walking speed is 4 times that of his father. So total distance traveled by son is equal to 20y plus 4x. As both travel along the track, same track, so distance traveled will be equal. So 5x plus 1y is equal to 20y plus 4x. Or we can say x is equal to 19y, x plus y is equal to 1 hour given. So 20y is equal to 1 hour. Substitute the value of x as 19, so we get the 20y is equal to 1 hour. So y is equal to 1 by 20 hour, or we can say 3 minutes. 60 by 20 is equal to 3 minutes and x will be 57 minutes. Hence the distance travelled by son for walking and running are 3 minutes and 57 minutes. Hope you have understood this question nicely. This is another question for this video. Let us first read the statement of the question. A few years back, in a flood hit area, a group of villagers found themselves confronted by wide and deep narrow floodwater. However, they found two children who are rowing a boat, and the boat is small, so and that it can carry either two children or one adult, or it can be rowed by a single child or adult. What is the minimum number of movements that the boat has to make to carry 148 people from deep floodwater area to the shore? Let us start with the answer. Let us first understand the question in diagrammatic form. The blue box represents the 148 people standing midway in the flood hit area. These two red triangles represent the two children, and this represents the boat. And this green represents the adult person, and the black line represents the shore. Let us start with the movement. First of all, the boat is near the flooded area having two children. So these two children will row back the boat to the shore so that they can leave the one child over there and another child will come back to the flooded area. When he will reach the flooded area, he will come down in the flooded area, and from here one person will row the boat back to the shore. Now at the shore, this person will come down and the child standing on the shore will row the boat back to the flood hit area. Now from here again the second child will come in the boat so that they both can move to the shore. Again start the same journey as we started the first way. So to move the one person from flooded area to shore, the boat has to make the four movements. So to carry 148 persons to shore, the number of moments needed will be 4 into 148 is equal to 592. Hope you have understood the answer nicely. This is a question for you to solve at home and I will give you answer in my next video. And the statement of the question is, what is the minimum number of weighing operations required to measure 23 kg of weights if only one weight of 1 kg is available? Hope you have enjoyed the questions and the answer I gave you. If you face any problem or have any difficulty in solving the question, do write in comment section. If you like my video, do share it with your friends and classmates and do not forget to subscribe my channel for regular updates. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.